Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Tailwind CSS design tokens for consistent UI, full guide step by step clearly. To update Tailwind CSS design tokens for a consistent UI, start by ensuring your project is set up with Tailwind CSS. Open your project folder in your preferred code editor. Locate the Tailwind CSS configuration file, typically named tailwind.config.js. Inside this file, find the theme section, which is where you will define your design tokens. Begin by identifying the tokens you want to update or add. For colors, create an object within the extend property. Specify your color palette using meaningful names for clarity. For example, define primary, secondary, and accent colors. Now, move on to font sizes. Within the same extend property, create a font size object. Add your design token values for different text sizes, ensuring they align with your UI requirements. Next, proceed to spacing tokens. Create a spacing object under the extend property. Define key spacing values like margins and paddings, consistent with your design system. After defining these tokens, save your changes. To see the updates, restart your development server. Open your browser and check the UI to confirm that the design tokens reflect your updates. Now, you can use your new design tokens throughout your project. Implement these tokens in your components by referencing the appropriate Tailwind utility classes. This ensures a consistent look and feel across your application. Regularly review and adjust your design tokens as needed to keep your UI aligned with your branding. Finally, consider documenting your design tokens for future reference. By following these steps, you'll effectively update Tailwind CSS design tokens for a more cohesive user interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.